On today, the 3rd of June 2021, onset of southwest monsoon over Kerala has taken place, and the northern limit of monsoon passes through the city of Kochi in Kerala and through the Tamil Nadu. The criteria for onset of monsoon, such as 60 percentage of at least 60 percentage of stations in Kerala reporting rainfall, that was satisfied for the past 2 days. So the second day, that is today, has been declared as the onset day of monsoon. Then the other criteria, such as the westerly winds, they are also persisting up to around 4.1 kilometers of height, and their speed is the criteria matching 15 to 20 knots. Then the clouding through satellite, which is measured in terms of outgoing long wave radiation, that also is satisfied in the region of Southeast Arabian Sea and along and off the coast of Kerala. So with all these criteria satisfying, the onset of monsoon has taken place over Kerala, and in the coming 48 hours it is expected to move further northward and reach up to some parts of coastal Karnataka, south interior Karnataka, and more parts of south and central Bay of Bengal and Rayalaseema. So this is how the monsoon is up to where the monsoon is going to progress in the coming 48 hours. Now, if we speak about the arrival of monsoon over Goa, the normal onset date for monsoon over Kerala is 1st June, which has taken place now today on 3rd June in this year. Monsoon arrives Goa by around 5th of June. That is the normal onset date, normal arrival date for monsoon over Goa. So it is less likely that the monsoon onset will take place, or the monsoon arrival will take place over Goa in the coming 48 hours. The northern limit of monsoon after 48 hours is expected to be up to the coastal Karnataka latitudes, not over Goa latitudes, but still the conditions are being monitored. We are expecting some rainfall activity to take place over Goa in the coming 2 to 3 days. So in case there are situations that the winds or the rainfall criteria or both satisfy for monsoon arrival over Goa, the information will be released by IMD right and when available. If you talk about the past 24 hours rainfall, uh, around 5 stations out of the 10 reported stations recorded rainfall in the past 24 hours. Highest rainfall was recorded at Perne, which was 24 mm of rainfall, that is approximately 2.5 centimeters of rainfall. Now, there are some weather systems, like it was mentioned, there are some weather systems which are existing near Goa's coastal lines, and we are expecting weather to continue over Goa for the coming 3 days as well. The first system is a circulation over East Central Arabian Sea off the coast of Karnataka, which is extending up to a height of around 3.1 kilometers from the surface or mean sea level. That one is going to bring moisture over Goa, and there is another trough line up to Karnataka coast from the Kerala coast. So this system is also going to enhance the moisture incursion over Goa, and we are expecting some rainfall activity associated with lightning and thunder shower to take place over Goa, both the districts of Goa, for the coming 2 to 3 days. This is the forecast, rainfall forecast. We are expecting fairly widespread rainfall to take place over Goa for the coming 5 days. That means the rainfall activity, more or less, with lesser or moderate intensity, is going to continue over Goa in the coming days as well. Fairly widespread means 50 to 75 percentage of the stations are going to are most likely to record rainfall in these coming days. And regarding weather warnings, thunder shower activity, that means rain accompanied with lightning and thunder, is going to continue over Goa for coming 3 days as well. So rainfall in these 3 days will be associated with lightning and thunder. The necessary precautions should please be taken in that. That means people should avoid walking in open fields or staying under isolated trees or tall structures, which may result in lightning hazards. So once this lightning activity or the thunder shower activity is taking place, the necessary precautions should be taken. Along with that, since these two systems are there, we cannot rule out the possibility of heavy rainfall over Goa coming for the coming 3 days. Heavy rainfall means rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters in 24 hours. One or two locations over Goa is very likely to record isolated heavy rainfall in these 3 days because there are more than one system near Goa's coastal lines which can enhance the rainfall activity. So that is why heavy rainfall warning is issued for 3 days. Apart from that, there is warning for fishermen. Because of the system over East Central Arabian Sea, we are expecting winds of 40 to 50 kilometers per hour over East Central Arabian Sea. And fishermen are requested not to venture into East Central Arabian Sea for the coming 2 days, 3rd and 4th of June. Wind speed could be even gusting up to 60 kilometers per hour over East Central Arabian Sea. Now, apart from that, there are other regions away from the coast, far away from the coast, such as West Central Arabian Sea, Southwest Arabian Sea. So all these regions also are expected to have increased wind speed. Then, like it was mentioned, East Central Arabian Sea, this region is having a wind warning for high wind speed, and fishermen should be taking precautions. Similarly, off the coast of Kerala, Lakshadweep area, East Central Arabian Sea, Southeast Arabian Sea also has high wind speed warning. Winds could be of the speed of 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, gusting to 60 kilometers per hour for 3 days over Lakshadweep sea area and off the coast of Kerala. Now, like it was mentioned, the thunder shower or lightning activity has already started to take place over Goa. There are regions in Satari and Darbandora Taluka which are already experiencing thunder shower and rainfall activity while we are speaking about it. That's on afternoon of 3rd June, that is today. Now, if we just compare the pre-monsoon rainfall activity of this year, that means the rainfall we received, rainfall was recorded by IMD in the period from 1st of March 31st of May. This was actually the third highest pre-monsoon shower rainfall recorded. The highest was recorded as per the available data in the year 1961, which was 662 millimeters of rainfall, and the second highest was in the year 2006 when pre-monsoon showers cumulative state average total was recorded as 591 mm, and this year in 2021 the pre-monsoon shower cumulative value is 394 mm of rainfall.